Hey, really, you can still lose weight and eat cupcakes. So the next time you pick up a cupcake, don't think you are going to ruin your diet or gain weight. Life is about balance, and one cupcake won't make you gain weight. So go ahead, enjoy your life. Hello friends, welcome to Draupadi's Kitchen. Let's cook something smart. Friends, today I am going to share 3 cupcake recipes. These healthy cupcakes are full of healthy ingredients and offer extra protein, fiber and other body healthy nutritious nutrients. You can enjoy this while losing weight and can still keep yourself fit. First, let's start with apple oats cupcakes. We are taking half cup oat flour, 1/4 cup walnut flour finely ground, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, and now mix all the dry ingredients and combine it very well. Now let's move to the second part. 1 large egg white, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, now half teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, and now mix these ingredients very well. Now add wet mixtures to dry mixture and slowly fold in apples. So here I have taken half cup of small apples chopped. Now preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or centigrade and line the muffin tin with cupcake wrappers. Now bake these cupcakes for 35 to 40 minutes. Now let's start the second type of cupcakes, that is chocolate chip cupcake. 1 large egg white, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of low fat milk, 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, honey is very good for health. Now mix all these ingredients very well. Now the dry ingredients. First we will take half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup chopped walnut, 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now mix all these ingredients together. Now we will again combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and mix it very well. Now again we will preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. The cupcakes for 20 to 25 minutes. Our chocolate chip cupcake is ready. Now let's shift to third type, cinnamon raisin cupcake. Again 1 large egg, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon natural peanut butter, 2 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix well. Now again the dry ingredients, half cup of oat flour, half cup of almond chop, 1/4 cup of walnut chopped, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, now 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, now mix all these dry ingredients and again shift the wet ingredients to these dry ingredients and combine well and prepare a batter. Now again we will preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, then bake the muffin for 20 to 25 minutes. Our tasty muffins are ready. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.